Hello everybody, welcome to Sadie the Tube, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a mini pool for your neonate babies. This was the prototype, the first one that I made. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make a mini version of this. To make this, you'll need some kitchen foil, which I have a sheet of right here. You'll need some scissors, some pearls, hot glue sticks, and of course, a hot glue gun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the foil here and my scissors, and I'm going to cut a long, kind of thicker strip of foil. I know this part isn't the most aesthetically pleasing, but I promise it gets better. Now once you have that, you're going to crumple it into a long, snake-like kind of shape. Okay, so now you're going to take the foil and overlap the other one and put it around the other one. I don't really know how to explain that. Anyway, so after you're done with that, I'm going to leave some of the foil because we're going to make the bottom part of the pool with the leftover foil. Now I'm just going to tear off a piece of this foil to use as the base of the pool. Okay, so now we have all parts of the pool ready. I'm going to squeeze the rest of the foil because I want it to be all like one piece. Now I'm going to curve the foil into a circle shape and it'll attach like that. But of course, it will just fall apart if I just mush it together, so I'm going to glue it with hot glue so it won't fall apart. And kind of staple the two pieces together like that. I'll put that aside, let's work on the base. So now I'm going to fold the foil over so it overlaps, and it makes a thicker foil for the base. I'm making it a little bit more thicker and a little bit more fitted to the pool by folding it a little bit more. Again, we want everything to overlap. So now I'll put this rim on top of the base to fit it. I think that looks pretty good. Okay, so now I'm going to take my hot glue gun and put hot glue all over the rim and then kind of stick it down. Okay, so I'll press the rim down to the base so it sticks more evenly. I'm just going to shape everything just so it's not too patchy. And now I'm going to fold all the foil edges all the way over so I don't waste any foil. They didn't even have to cut this part. Okay, perfect! So now we have the full pool base. Again, I'm just kind of reshaping it. So here's the final product. I think it looks pretty good. Now you can paint this. I probably won't paint it today, but maybe in a future video I'll paint it. I'll be recording a part 2 ASAP. So I'm going to have a pool party for the test. I'm going to fill the pool with pearls, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I'm going to glue some little accents. This is just going to be for right now. I'll take these off later, but this is just for the video. So here we go. That's all the accents added. Here's my setup for the Neonate pool party. Okay, now I'll put the knurlies in. So here they are. I was able to fit an aquamarito, a quizumirito, and a margielita. Oh, also I put my cherry knurly in there too.